1. Inspirational Introduction. Welcome to Kunzy In English. I'm Nasa, and today we're going to embark on a fun and inspiring English learning journey together. I hope that every minute you spend with this podcast helps you feel more confident, speak English with ease, and never worry about making small mistakes again. Before we begin, I have a few questions for you to think about. Have you ever felt shy or nervous about speaking English? Have you ever been afraid of making mistakes when speaking and avoided saying what you wanted to? If your answer is yes, then congratulations, because you're in the right place. Today, we're going to change the way you think about learning English, especially when it comes to speaking English. Today, we will not learn passively. Today, you will speak. You might be thinking, am I ready to speak fluently? I want to tell you this. You don't have to be perfect to start speaking. Just start speaking, and you're already making great progress. Today, we're going to apply the shadowing method, an incredibly effective way to practice pronunciation and build confidence in English. So what is shadowing? It's simple. You listen and repeat. You hear a sentence, and then you say it right away. It's easy, but extremely effective. This method not only helps you improve pronunciation, but also boosts your reflexes and confidence. Each time you speak, you'll feel more confident, and your ability to communicate will become more natural. Why did we choose 30 positive affirmations? It's not just about practicing your pronunciation. These affirmations help to train your positive mindset. When you say these affirmations daily, you're not just practicing your mouth, but you're also training your mind. You're reminding yourself that you can, that you're capable, and that you'll make progress with every practice. Remember, English is not a test. It's a tool to connect with the world around you. Let these affirmations be your companions on the journey to confidently speaking English. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Part 2. Method Breakdown. Shadowing. Now that we've gotten excited and ready, let's dive into the shadowing method. This is the heart of today's practice. If you've never heard of shadowing before, don't worry. Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. What is shadowing? Shadowing is a powerful and fun method that helps you improve your English speaking skills. Remember this, you can make mistakes, but you're never failing as long as you're trying. The goal is progress, not perfection. Keep practicing and you'll start seeing results. Ready to give it a try? I know you can do it. Let's move forward together. Part 3. Begin the shadowing challenge. Practice begins. Welcome to the practical part, where you will apply everything you've learned with the shadowing method. Let's start practicing. Sentence 1. I am learning English every day. Repeat. I am learning English every day. Repeat again. I am learning English every day. Sentence 2. I am not afraid to make mistakes. Repeat. I am not afraid to make mistakes. Repeat again. I am not afraid to make mistakes. Sentence 3. I understand more each day. Repeat. I understand more each day. Repeat again. I understand more each day. Sentence 4. I enjoy speaking English. Repeat. I enjoy speaking English. Repeat again. I enjoy speaking English. Sentence 5. I listen with focus and speak with confidence. Repeat. I listen with focus and speak with confidence. Repeat again. I listen with focus and speak with confidence. Sentence 6. I speak slowly, clearly, and calmly. Repeat. I speak slowly, clearly, and calmly. Repeat again. I speak slowly, clearly, and calmly. Sentence 7. I believe in myself. Repeat. I believe in myself. Repeat again, I believe in myself. Sentence 8. I show up even when it's hard. Repeat, I show up even when it's hard. Repeat again, I show up even when it's hard. Sentence 9. I'm getting better with every word. Repeat, I'm getting better with every word. Repeat again, I'm getting better with every word. Sentence 10. I don't give up, I grow. Repeat, I don't give up, I grow. Repeat again, I don't give up, I grow. Sentence 11. I am capable of learning anything. Repeat, I am capable of learning anything. Repeat again, I am capable of learning anything. Sentence 12. I am becoming a confident English speaker. Repeat, I am becoming a confident English speaker. Repeat again, I am becoming a confident English speaker. Sentence 13. Every mistake is an opportunity to improve. Repeat, every mistake is an opportunity to improve. Repeat again, every mistake is an opportunity to improve. Sentence 14. I am not afraid to speak English in public. Repeat, I am not afraid to speak English in public. Repeat again, I am not afraid to speak English in public. Sentence 15. I am proud of the progress I make. Repeat, I am proud of the progress I make. Repeat again, I am proud of the progress I make. Sentence 16. I trust myself to speak clearly. Repeat, I trust myself to speak clearly. Repeat again, I trust myself to speak clearly. Sentence 17. I am improving every day, step by step. Repeat, I am improving every day, step by step. Repeat again, I am improving every day, step by step. Sentence 18. I speak English confidently in any situation. Repeat, I speak English confidently in any situation. Repeat again, I speak English confidently in any situation. Sentence 19. I take every opportunity to practice speaking. Repeat, I take every opportunity to practice speaking. Repeat again, I take every opportunity to practice speaking. Sentence 20. I am proud of the effort I put into learning. Repeat, I am proud of the effort I put into learning. Repeat again, I am proud of the effort I put into learning. Sentence 21. My confidence grows every time I speak English. Repeat, my confidence grows every time I speak English. Repeat again, my confidence grows every time I speak English. Sentence 22. I am not afraid to make mistakes while speaking. Repeat, I am not afraid to make mistakes while speaking. Repeat again, I am not afraid to make mistakes while speaking. Sentence 23. I am becoming a more fluent English speaker every day. Repeat, I am becoming a more fluent English speaker every day. Repeat again, I am becoming an English speaker every day. Sentence 24. I enjoy every opportunity to speak English. I enjoy every opportunity to speak English. Repeat again, I enjoy every opportunity to speak English. Sentence 25. I will never stop learning and growing. Repeat, I will never stop learning and growing. Repeat again, I will never stop learning and growing. Sentence 26. I speak English with power and clarity. Repeat, I speak English with power and clarity. Repeat again, I speak English with power and clarity. Sentence 27. I trust in my ability to speak English. Repeat, I trust in my ability to speak English. Repeat again, I trust in my ability to speak English. Sentence 28. I am a strong English speaker. Repeat, I am a strong English speaker. Repeat again, I am a strong English speaker. Sentence 29. I speak English confidently and clearly. Repeat, I speak English confidently and clearly. Repeat again, I speak English confidently and clearly. Sentence 30. I am a confident, fluent English speaker. Repeat, I am a confident, fluent English speaker. Repeat again, I am a confident, fluent English speaker. Now you've completed today's shadowing challenge. Keep practicing every day, and you will see your English skills improve significantly. Remember, you're on the path to success. Welcome back. You've completed your shadowing practice today, and I want to take a moment to remind you of how important every single word, every small effort is. You've done something incredible by dedicating time and energy to improving your English today. Remember, speaking practice is essential, not just listening. The more you speak, the more you build the muscle of your mouth and brain to understand and use English in real life. You're not here to be perfect. You're here to make progress. And progress is what matters. Here are some key messages to keep in mind as you continue on your language learning journey. Speaking is more important than just listening. Listening is important, but speaking makes it real. It helps you connect the words you hear with the words you can say. 5 minutes every day is far more powerful than 1 hour every week. Consistency is the magic behind improvement. Even if it's just 5 minutes a day, it's better than a long, irregular session. Little practice every day adds up to big results over time. The more you practice, the faster you improve. This is a simple but powerful truth. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become, and the faster you will see improvement. Don't worry about being fast right now. Just focus on practicing regularly. If today you only manage to say one sentence, you're still moving forward. Never underestimate small progress. Every journey begins with one step. Every little moment you dedicate to speaking is another moment of growth. Even when you feel like it's hard or you're not seeing huge results, you're still making progress. And that's what counts. Keep going. The best is yet to come. You've got this. Congratulations! You've just completed your first day of practice, and that's a huge achievement. It may feel like a small step, but trust me, every step counts. Every moment you spend practicing brings you closer to your goal of speaking confidently in English. You should be proud of yourself. But remember, this is just the beginning. The journey doesn't stop here. I encourage you to come back tomorrow and the day after that and keep practicing. Each time you practice, you'll notice improvements in your pronunciation, confidence, and overall fluency. One great way to track your progress is by recording your voice. Record yourself speaking English each day and then listen back. You'll be amazed at how much better you sound after just a few days of practice. This simple act will show you how far you've come, and it will motivate you to keep going. I'll see you tomorrow. Keep up the great work, and keep speaking. You've got this. Before we wrap up, if you found this practice helpful and inspiring, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more English learning content like this. By subscribing, you'll be part of a community that is committed to improving every single day. Stay motivated, stay focused, and let's keep growing together. I'll see you in the next video. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and most importantly, believe in yourself.